everybody, let's talk about a common problem that happens with people share browsers. It's the no classroom found problem. You see, I am right now logged in with my personal account. It says person number 1. Person number 2, which is also me, is Vicky SCA Vicky. And the problem is if I am logged into my web browser with my personal account, and then I go into email or whatever, and I click on a link, it's either going to say classroom not found or it's going to take me here. It's not going to show me all my classes. So to solve this problem, you want to click on the person 1 button and go to add. Now the problem that happens when, and it's going to open another web browser, which I'm moving here. The problem that's going to happen when you have more than one person on there is that if you don't log out sometimes of that other person, so if I really start having problems, I'll just click sign out with my personal account, because what'll happen is, let's say you have 3 kids on a computer and one is logged into their classroom, and but down here, so you're logged in down here. Well, see, this is just your inside your web browser, your window. It's not really your whole browser, okay? And that's confusing. But let's say I come down here and I take a Quizzes or I take a Edpuzzle, and I click on it, and then all of a sudden it says you can't access it, and you can't get control of that. Then you start having this problem where there's no mismatch. The other thing that'll happen is you might take a quiz and it doesn't pull it back across. Well, it doesn't pull it back across because somehow you have ended up in that other account. So the way to fix this, like I said, is to click here, click add, and then when it's really giving you trouble, just go into that other web browser when it's giving you trouble, and then just click I usually click sign out. I don't see a sign out on that one, but I usually will click sign out, or I'll just click swap and it'll take me to the other one. Okay, so but you do have to sign out, and there usually is a sign out button. I'm not sure why there isn't this moment. So that you can set up those multiple accounts. I also want to stress it works better with Chrome. If you have more than one person in your house, you should be using Chrome for sure.